Okay guys, promise is a promise. This is for the Greek cucumber salad I made yesterday, and we're gonna put these ingredients together and try it out and see if it's any good. I will try it on. I'll try the salad on today's video, so you'll get my opinion on how this comes out. So you got lemon juice, you have olive oil, you have is it minced garlic, oregano, and some sweetener. We're using Splenda. You can use sugar, you can use honey, you can use maple syrup. If you're trying to stay healthy, you can use stevia, however you pronounce it. You can do Truvia, you can use Splenda, you can use any sugar substitute that you want. You guys ready? Let's do it. I couldn't find a smaller jar, so I had to use this one. Sorry about that. All right, so let's get all the ingredients. We got everything laid out. Let's start with your oil. Okay, your lemon juice. Your oregano. Your salt and pepper, just a little pinch. There you go. And your garlic. And I'm using the sweetener. There you go, that should dissolve right in there. Let's put the lid on. There we go. Give it a good shake around. Looks good. I was about ready to do a double batch, but what if I don't like this? Okay. So I'm just going to put a little drizzle because I'm giving the rest to Jack Jr. He's home from work. He's probably hungry. Here we go, just a drizzle. Okay. Let's give this a try and see how it is. Get some onion. Get some tomato. Oh man. That vinaigrette's way better than I thought it would be. Seriously, I just thought it would be like Italian dressing. That tastes really good. So I'm going to call Jack Jr. down and have a nice salad right now. That was amazing. That salad was crunchy and fresh, and it was chilled overnight. It was delicious. Very little dressing. You can toss it around. It goes far. But I would do it. I'll have the single down below. I would double that. This is definitely a surprise, especially for January, or your healthy eating month. You guys are gonna love this, and you can have as much vegetables as you want to eat, and do a little drizzle with the dressing. Pick your sweetener because it's got a nice sweet taste. All right, I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next episode. Bye bye.